repetition. And repetition shapes us when we do communion together. At sinabi po niya, you proclaim the Lord's death until He comes. So what's the point? Through the regular practice of communion, we publicly affirm our faith in Christ's sacrificial death and look forward with hope to His second coming. Alam niyo po, every time we do communion, tayo po ay inaalay ni Lord sa gospel. Hindi man siguro natin pinapahayag diretso yung gospel, but by partaking of communion, we are reminded of the gospel. The gospel is about His body and His blood that was sacrificed for us. And when Paul said, for as often as you eat, the word you and the word you proclaim, dalawang beses po binanggit yung the word you.
Oh no. You
Sinong sinakausap po dito? What isang tao na ba? No, he was talking to the church. For as often as you, the church.
Johan.
In other words, doing communion is about coming together. It's about doing it together. It's about community. And when we come together, we are united as one in our faith in Christ. Yung yun.
It's wrapped.
Sinasabi natin, nakikipag-isa kayo sa Panginoon at